Today, we're going to build a tank using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This is another Pinterest build that I just fell in love with and I had to share with all of you. But what we're going to do is we're going to start with this Battle Droid torso piece, the Battle Droid torso piece. And we've actually used this a lot for other tank builds. It's a very common kind of base for a tank. But what we're going to do is grab 2 of these 1x2 Tecnnic lift arms and just put them on like where the shoulder blades would be, that pin where the shoulders of the Battle Droid's arms would go, and just put it so it runs along the length of our torso piece here. And once those are on, we've got the tank treads, and now we have to do is build the body. And for the body of our tank, we're going to get this 1x2 plate piece with the finger grip on top. And the finger grip is going to be lined up to where those shoulder blades or that pin is for our tank treads to attach. So what you're going to do is you got that center stud, the center anti-stud. You're going to put it into the hole of my droid torso piece and line it up like this. And now all we have to do is draw the big old cannon or forward gun of our tank. And to do that, we're going to get a minifigure hand. And now the minifigure hand, the larger part is the top, and the smaller part is the bottom. So just like a minifigure hand's top and bottom, same thing with our tank. So the taller end is going to be on the top, and we're going to get that minifigure hand to grab our finger joint here, push it in, and here is a little micro Lego tank. Isn't it cute?
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.